Hey guys, so you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Like, I'm really so glad you are back here to listen to me, to learn from me. Okay, so remember in our previous video that you watched on how to set up a YouTube channel, I told you we're going to continue again on other segments, other sections that you need to understand regarding this YouTube channel setup. All right, so now remember this channel I created, we already have 6 subscribers already. So you can see here 6 subscribers already, and there is also one video here that has clocked 16 views. Can you see now? There's one particular video. So now let's continue with the customizing of the channel. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on customize channel, and it's going to open in a new tab for you. Okay, so now if you remember in the previous video you watched before, now you notice that I did not add any trailer or featured video for returning subscribers. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do now. So this channel trailer is for those who have not subscribed to your YouTube channel, so they'll keep seeing that video over and over again. So what I normally do on my own personal channel, I make sure that the video that will be there is going to be something that is interesting. It could be my recent video or a previous video that is truly interesting that I know people will be so interested in. So what I do is, when you get here, you just click on add trailer. So the video you have before now, this is the only video we have here right now, so I'm just going to use that same video, so you can see it here. So we also have featured video for returning subscribers. So because we don't have any other video here, I could just use that same video. But if you have multiple videos, as much videos on your YouTube channel, you don't need to use the same video for featured video and channel trailer. You use different videos entirely. Okay, so when you're done with that, what you need to do is to just publish it. So it's published. So how do you know it's working? So go to channel. This is our channel. You come here and then you refresh. So you will see the difference. You're going to see. So now can you see now? So you see now that there's a particular video here. This is the trailer for every person that is on your channel who has not subscribed. They are going to see this video first. So you see it here now before you see the main uploads that we uploaded here. So that is for that. Now let's head back. So come to branding. You can see now that the branding, we have fixed it. We've added a thumbnail. So I want you to watch my video on how to create banner image for your YouTube channel. I use Canva to design this banner image you're seeing here. Watch my video on how to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another thing. Come to basic information. Here you need to put a description of what your channel is all about. What am I going to learn when I visit your channel? What are people going to gain? What is the value that they are going to be taking from your channel? That's what your description should be all about. It doesn't have to be so long, but it should be straight to the point. All right, so when you're done with that, just scroll down. You can decide to add languages if you want to, or you just leave it the way it is. Now the next thing you want to check is your channel URL. So you can just copy it and place it somewhere for you to easily have access to it, or you can also get the URL from your smartphone. If you're viewing it from your smartphone, you can get the URL from there. So now the next thing I want to show you is links. Now these links has to do with your social account. It could be your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the rest of them. All you need to do is to just click on add link, and then the link title, let's say the title of this link should be Facebook. So input Facebook and put the URL to your Facebook here. Once you add link, you will see option to display the numbers of link you want to be showing there. So this Facebook you're seeing now, let me show you what I mean. I'm putting it back. Facebook.com. Okay, so can you see now? So you see this option here, the links that you want to show on your banner. How many of them do you want to be showing? Do you want it to be like 5 or 6 or 10? You decide. So you can say I want 4 links to be showing on my banner. So let me just say 4 links, and I'll add another link again so that you understand better. So this one should be for Instagram, and the URL to my Instagram should be facebook.com/ okay, let's say falling. Okay, so when I'm done, I will just click on what publish. Then the last option you're seeing here is to add your email. So just put your email here and what publish. So I want to show you where you can see those links that we added, this Facebook and everything. Let me show you where you can see them. So come here and just refresh your site. Refresh your. Okay, so can you see the Facebook and the Instagram URL. You can see them here now, so they are both showing here. So that's what they mean by show links on your banner. Okay, so I'm just going to remove them because this is not my personal account. Okay, so I just publish back and take it back to normal. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is how do you know if your account is eligible for monetization. What I simply mean is there is a stage you are going to get to. What I mean by monetization is that there is a stage you are going to get to. YouTube will start paying you for all the content you have been putting out there, and there's a criteria for you to be able to be eligible for monetization. Those criteria simply means, first of all, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and if you are able to meet up to those criteria, your account you will be selected for monetization. All right, so what I'm going to show you now is how do you check for that. So come here at the left hand side and you're going to look for monetization. So click on monetization to see if you are eligible. So can you see right now it says monetization is not eligible for your location. So let's update our location so that we can be eligible for monetization. So I click on update location. So select country of residence. Our country of residence for my client is Nigeria. So I'll go and look for Nigeria. Good. So now keywords, enter commas, separated values. Keywords should be stuff like what do you want your channel to be remembered for. So let's say something like preaching. Okay. Gospel, Bible, teaching, etc. So as many keywords you want to add, you can just add them there. So when you are done, just click on save and you're going to see. So can you see now? You see our channel now is now eligible for monetization. So just click on notify me when I am eligible. So Google is going to send us a message that we are eligible for monetization when we are able to cross that stage. Okay, so right now we have just 6 subscribers and you need 1,000. 1,000 is required, but we have 6 already and 0 public watch hours. Okay, so that is how it is done. Go back to settings so that we could continue the channel settings. Okay, so go to settings, you get to channel and come to advanced setting. Now I want to set this channel to be that this channel is not meant for children. Okay, so I click on no, set this channel as not made for children. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is don't show potentially inappropriate words, like someone is leaving a very bad review on your channel. You don't want those comments to be showing. You can just tick here and it will be so. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is you see feature eligibility. So you see all these ones, they are enabled. Standard features, intermediate features, because we have verified the YouTube channel with our phone number. That is why you are eligible for these things you are seeing now. They are enabled already. Okay, so just make sure you save them. Now you can come back to settings again. Click on channel, click on upload default, title, description, visibility, and then tags, permission, manage permissions or move permissions to YouTube Studio, whichever one of them you want to do. Continue using your brand account or add or change permission. You can assign people to 1 or 2 roles. If you know that you are so busy you cannot really handle your YouTube channel all by yourself, you can assign someone that you know you trust. Please, emphasis on the word trust. You should be somebody that you trust so that you don't cry had I know when your channel is already being monetized and someone is trying to play some silly games around you. Okay, so that is how you check if your channel is eligible for monetization. If you watch this video to this point, I want to say thank you, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and do not forget to click on the notification bell so you can be at alert once I drop a video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.